sitting here editing the video and I realized that I needed to do an intro. I usually never do my intros like this, but I really wanted to sit here and introduce you to Bethany Barber, who I'm doing the collaboration with for this video today. I love Bethany. We have been friends pretty much since I started YouTube back in October. I think that's when I started, October, and I just would love it if y'all would check her out. I'm going to leave her video in my description, and then I'm also going to kind of add in some videos or a picture somewhere here on the screen. That way you know who you're looking at and who you're looking for. Hope that you guys will check her out. She's seriously one of the sweetest people that I've ever met, and I know that you guys will enjoy her and her content as much as I do. So the first thing we're going to do is do the dishes. I had quite a few dishes to do this day because I did not do them the day before. I was being lazy the day before. So yeah, there's a few dishes to do, especially coffee cups, because we are avid coffee drinkers around here.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to
Now for my favorite part is cleaning out the sink. Is this your favorite thing to do? I know it's very therapeutic for a lot of people, especially for me.
and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live. You were tall, I looked up. From where I sat, wished I wouldn't dressed up. Your first line, won't forget. So is it true, no one's taking you yet? I remember people staring as we stepped outside. They had only one goal, get me off of your mind. I was no good, they said.
So the kitchen actually wasn't too terribly dirty this night. I just had to pick up a little bit and clean up the table and counters from dinner.
No, we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We still dream of what we could be. Now that we've come so far, they're going nuts about how happy we are. See the bond that we made, it all seems real now that I'm not afraid. And we really got them, yeah, we sure did write it out, 'cause we have each other, that's what it's all about. I was no good, they said, you could do much better.
So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Bissell Crosswave and clean the kitchen floors. Seriously, if you don't have a Bissell Crosswave, what is wrong with you? It is the best thing. It has cut down my cleaning time by a ton. And sorry that you can hear Parker's toys in the background.
We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them standing strong.
Next thing I had to do was do some laundry.
We are crazy, 'cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me. You still amaze me. You still amaze me. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. Yeah, we still dream of what we could be. Could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be.
For once, I did not have a ton of toys to clean up. And that's because Parker was over at my mama's house, so he could not destroy my living room this day. And in the background, you can see Jared. He was home from work. And so he's going to be in the background, and he did not like it, but he'll just have to get over that.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Then I'm going to let my robot run and clean up the living room. And I'm also going to put some essential oils in my oil diffuser. Sweet orange is my favorite, so that's the one I picked for tonight.
Things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
Just going to Swiffer the floors here. I didn't want to get back out the Bissell Crosswave because I would have had to refill it, and I'm being lazy and I didn't want to refill it. So I'm going to just use my Swiffer wet jet, and then that's actually going to be the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and got some motivation. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you thought, and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.
With you and I, the future is